Let's save the world, shall we? Here are some homemade cleaners that smell good and work great. It's good for the environment and you. Stay tuned and I'll show you how.
Hi, I'm Sherry. This is Buddy, top dog of LuckyDogCreations.
Hello friends, today we're going to be making a couple of more DIY projects. Now you know I'm all about totally natural with no chemicals. Today we're going to be making a multi-purpose cleaner and also a glass cleaner. We're going to be starting with the glass cleaner first. So let's get started, shall we? The first thing that we're going to add is 1 cup vinegar. Now vinegar has an acidic composition that acts quickly to break down the film that accumulates on glass surfaces. It will leave a streak-free shine. 1 cup of vinegar. And then next, 1.5 cups of warm water. And next we're going to be adding 1/2 cup rubbing alcohol. I'm sure any percentage will work, but I have 91%, so that is what I'm going to be using. Rubbing alcohol disinfects, it kills bacteria, it evaporates quickly without leaving any residue, so it leaves a clean, streak-free shine. 1/2 cup of rubbing alcohol. This next ingredient, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, is optional. Cornstarch granules are very fine, making it naturally abrasive on an atomic level. It will tackle bits of grime and it will be leaving a streak-free shine. So 1 teaspoon cornstarch, and then give it a stir until all of the cornstarch is dissolved. The last ingredient is 20 drops of essential oil. I'm going to be using essential oil that has cleaning properties as well, but you can use whichever essential oils you want, whether you just use one or a combination of several. The 3 I'm going to be using: lemongrass, orange, and grapefruit. Now lemongrass, I'm not a big fan of the smell, but it has antibacterial, antifungal, and it helps get rid of mold and mildew. And since I'm not a big fan of this smell, I'm only going to be using 5 drops of that. To me it smells like lemon pledge. And if you like lemon pledge, then this is the one for you. Okay, so the next one is going to be grapefruit. Now grapefruit and orange both, they kill germs, they are antibacterial. So I'm going to use 5 drops of the grapefruit. Now I love the smell of the orange essential oil. Now the citrus essential oils, they also cut through the grime. And I'm going to use 10 drops of that. And give it a stir. And that's all there is to it for this glass cleaner. I will go ahead and put it in a spray bottle, and I'll be back. And here we have it. Now this is a 32-ounce spray bottle. The mix makes about 3 cups, so I used about 1.5 mixes. So if you get a smaller bottle, one recipe will work. I just double the recipe and then just use half of the second recipe. So next we'll go ahead and make the multi-purpose cleaner. Okay, so now we will go ahead and make the multi-purpose cleaner. It is also natural with no chemicals. So the first thing that we're going to need is 3 cups of warm water. And then next we're going to be using 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda breaks through a greasy residue. Dump that in that. Give that a stir till it dissolves. Next is 1 tablespoon borax. And borax can be found in the laundry detergent aisle. Borax is a natural cleaner. It fights odors. The sodium in the borax, it interacts with hard water buildup. So we'll go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of borax. And go ahead and stir that until it dissolves as well. The next ingredient is 1 teaspoon glycerin. Glycerin contains no odor or color. It is a natural solvent which aids in stain removal. Go ahead and put 1 teaspoon of glycerin in and give it a stir. The last ingredient is 20 drops of essential oil. You can use whichever essential oils that you'd like, whether you want to just use 1 scent or several. I'm going to be using pine needles. Not only does it smell good, but it also has cleaning properties to it as well. I like the smell of pine needles because to me it smells like pine sol. Pine needles is an antimicrobial, antiseptic, and an antifungal. So let's add 20 drops of that. And we'll go ahead and give it a stir. And that's all the ingredients in the multi-purpose cleaner. I'll go ahead and put it in the spray bottle, and then we'll go ahead and test it out. And here is the finished product. It is a 32-ounce spray bottle. The mix made 3 cups, so I did have to make 1.5 batches to fill this up. Let's go check it out. Okay, as you can see, my counter does have several stains on it, so let's check this out. And this stain right here has been there for quite a while because I had a bucket sitting there. And there you go. All that without using any bleach or added chemicals. All natural, good for you, good for the environment. If you like this video, please subscribe. Hit the bell so you can get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments or suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.